Hey there, fellow money managers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to deposit money on Cash App Card in 2025. With Cash App's updates, depositing money has never been simpler or more secure. Whether you're funding your everyday spends or saving for that big purchase, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running in minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. If you're new, download it from your App Store and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're in, head to the home screen and tap on the Money tab at the bottom. This is your gateway to all things financial on the app. Next, to deposit money, you'll need to link a funding source. Go to the Bank section and add your bank account or debit card. Cash App supports major banks, and the process is straightforward. Just enter your details and verify with a small test deposit. Pro tip: double-check your info to avoid any delays. Now, for the main event, adding funds. Tap on the Add Cash button, enter the amount you want to deposit, and select your linked bank or card as the source. You'll see a confirmation screen. Review it carefully, then hit Add. The money should appear in your Cash App balance almost instantly, depending on your bank's processing time. In 2025, Cash App has sped this up with faster transfer options, so keep an eye out for that. One more thing. If you're dealing with any issues, like a failed deposit, check your internet connection or contact Cash App support through the app. They have 24/7 help now, which is a game changer. Always prioritize security. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to keep your funds safe. There you have it. Depositing money on your Cash App Card in 2025 is a breeze. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it went. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more finance hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.